Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make pages um, and assignments using Canvas, and I'm going to put them all into a module today. So you said that you wanted to learn how to use videos and Notability in Canvas. So what you would do first is I would want to put my video in a page. So I would go over here to the left toolbar and I would click on Pages. So I clicked on Pages, and then you would go to View All Pages and then click on Plus Page. And today my mini unit is going to be about counting by fives. I know this is a kindergarten standard. However, you might want I don't know, I thought maybe you would want to review it in first grade. So I'll call this Counting by Fives video. And so I found a teacher. I have a good friend named Jessica Cantwell, and she teaches at Yorktown. And she made a video about counting by fives using the book called Lots of Ladybugs. And so she recorded herself, probably using her iPad or her iPhone and having a friend record it, reading, and then she put it on a YouTube channel. Since YouTube is blocked at ELEC, you could also put it on TeacherTube. So I'm just going to use her video that she's created. So for kindergarten and first graders, sometimes it's really good to actually have a picture of the video. So I'm going to actually embed the video into the page. So I found Jessica's video on her channel. And if you go down here to the bottom, it says embed. Okay? So if you click here, you would highlight this. And then you would hit Command C, which is copy. And then you would go back to the page that I created. If you click over here on the right, you click on HTML editor, you click on that, and then you click on and then you're in the rich content editor. So then you can paste that embed link here, and you would just do Command V. Then when you save and publish, that means that the students could now view your page on the course. You would hit Save and Publish. And there's the video. Okay, so maybe that's the first part of your module. So now you have the page. Now how are you going to get that page into your module? If you click over here on the left toolbar and you click on Modules, you can make a page within the module. So I made a module and I called it Counting by Fives, so that's going to be what our unit is about today. And so to do that, you would just hit plus, and then you would make the module Counting by Fives. But I'm going to add my page to my module. So you would click over here on the plus button, and you'd go up here to the scroll bar, and you'd click on the down button, and you'd click on Content Page. And remember, I believe we called it Counting by Fives video. And it should be here. There it is, Counting by Fives. There's the page. So I would click on that, and then I would hit Add Item. So now when my students click on my module, the first thing that they'll see is the Counting by Fives video. Okay? So now I had me reading a story about counting by fives. Well, I got on TeacherTube and I found another video to maybe reinforce the idea of counting by fives, and it just goes through and it highlights 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. I thought it was a good video that the students might like, so I'm going to do the same thing. I would put my video in the module. Okay, so I could click up here to share and then copy. And I don't think there is an embed link for TeacherTube, so you'll just have to put the video link there. So we'll do that a little different way. So I would go through the same steps. So I would click up here and I would go to Pages, and then I would click on View All Pages, and then Add a Page. and maybe I can say counting by 5 video. Okay, so since there was no embed link, I'm just going to put a link to the video so my students can watch it. And this is really good for differentiation because students can watch it at their own pace. They don't have to be, guided by the class. It would also be great for a station when the students are working from station to station. So you could put click here for counting by 5 video. So then what I would do is I would highlight the here, and I would go up here to the link to URL, and then I'm going to paste, Command V, my video from TeacherTube here, Command V. So now when my students click on the here part, it would take them to that TeacherTube video. You can make the font bigger, which might be good for small children. You could add color to it, whatever you wanted to make it unique to you. So then I would hit save and publish, and I would do the same thing. I would add this video to my module. So I'd go up here to modules, and I'd scroll down to my Counting by Fives module that I made, and then I would do the same thing. I would hit plus. And then I would go to content page, and then I would find my Counting by Fives video. There it is, Counting by Fives video, and then add the item. Okay, so the first thing my students would do would be they would watch the video of the lots of ladybugs, and then after that, they would watch the Counting by Fives video. I hope that helped. Let me know if you have any questions.